Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. We've got the brand new Samsung Q80R QLED TV here with us that we're going to unbox for you today. So first things first, you're going to want to grab scissors or a knife or something to cut these straps with, but don't take those off until you have the TV kind of close to the spot where you're going to be assembling it, because once these are off, the box top won't stay on when you're moving it. So we're going to cut through these. And next we will cut through the tape on the back. And it kind of gives you some instructions on this inside flap too. If you kind of lose track of what you're doing, that'll tell you the appropriate steps to go through when you're unboxing this. First thing we're going to take out here is the quick setup guide. And next up we've got a packet of accessories, remote control, some spacers, power cord, batteries, and some literature. If you've watched our other unboxing videos, this is going to look pretty familiar. Now we've got some Pedestal feet. These are different than what we saw on the 60 and 70, so slightly different design there. A little cable management, it looks like, built into the back. And the other one. And that looks to be it. We'll take the styrofoam out here to make it a little easier to get the box off. And because this is a 65-inch, we're going to have our friend Tom come on here and help me lift the box up off of the TV. Tom? And there is a big styrofoam pad actually that lifted up with the box top, so be aware of that. That's also going to come inside of the box. So we've got the TV out. It looks like there are no other accessories anywhere else. So we're going to break here for a moment, assemble the pedestal for you, get the TV turned on, and give you a quick sample of what this looks like. Okay, so we've got the pedestal all set up here. There's just a couple more things to do before you can enjoy your TV fully, and that is to remove these two styrofoam pieces from the side. Those come off fairly easily. And then most importantly, my favorite part is actually taking the protective film off of the screen. And you've got this little blue triangle up here in the corner, and you're just gonna pull that, and this whole plastic piece will come right off. It is extremely satisfying, so if you do buy one of these, make sure you enjoy it, because you only get to do that part once. And there you have it. It's a little crinkly, but that's the picture. So this thing looks really stunning. This is just kind of a taste for you guys to see at home. We're going to do a full overview video, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and make sure you leave in the comments below what kind of stuff you want us to focus in on so we can give you as much info as we can. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you get updates whenever we upload new content.